Hi, this is a case scenario in the image to diagnosis fetal medicine, cyst in the fetal pelvis, case scenario 4. So here, this is an axial scan of the fetal pelvis, shows two cysts, that is the right and left. The cysts are in side-to-side orientation. This is two cysts side by side and no internal echoes, and the gender is female as seen here. Now, if you'd like to see the workup of this case, please log on to shonoshare.in, go to the category image to diagnosis, fetal medicine, cyst in the fetal pelvis, scenario 4. If you wish to go through the workup of this case scenario of fetal medicine, please log into www.sonoshare.in. Go to click on the categories to go to the section on image to diagnosis fetal medicine. And when you click on the category, you will see the image to diagnosis fetal medicine. When you click on that, you will get the section on image to diagnosis fetal medicine, and the various case scenarios will be seen one below the other, and click on whichever case scenario you want to see and subscribe, and you can watch the case scenario. Thank you.